You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Yes, let's learn how to pronounce this name. I know it confuses a lot of people. If you want to learn more confusing names and variants of this name as well that are a little bit different, pronounced a little bit differently or not, stay tuned. I've got more videos that are very interesting. Let's break it down. The pronunciation in English: Kathleen. Kath, you probably knew that. You have TH with your tongue between your teeth. Kath, not Kath. Kath, generally at least. Lean. Kathleen. You must have a bit of a long E sound generally. Do you pronounce it any other way, Kathleen? That would normally be a different spelling. Let us know though in the comments how you like to pronounce it and where you're from. Kathleen is generally how it is pronounced in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.